not Just Sawdust workshop. I'm figuring out a project for myself, so it's got to be cheap, as lot as recycled materials as possible, and simple as well. Got to make a few big drawers, and I not have sorted out yet how I'm gonna get all the materials and how I'm gonna do it. But there are a few things that I want to share with you. And first of all, it's something I bought at an auction.
I'll have this until the end of the auction, because I'll fall over it. Nice chair. It is very comfortable actually. 15 euros. 15. 12. 10 euros.
Now I went there to sell a few things, and I must say that everything I brought was sold.
10 euros.
But, well, for very, very small prices. The good thing is that you can buy things back as cheap as you're selling stuff. So, first thing I bought is 2 of these ceiling lights, and they are normal 220 volt things, and I want to change them to 12 volts, and that has a reason, because I want to use these as lights in my van. Yes, I want to get some ceiling lights in the van, and the inside of the van we want to make more like a bit rustic, with some wood and some recycled materials. So I thought these look very nice, but still have to figure out how I'm going to make them 12 volts. Now, the other thing is another story. I bought this beautiful little set of very, very sharp chisels.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10 euros, 11, 12, 13.
And of course I didn't get them for the 10, I had to pay 11, 12, because of my good friend who is also a woodworker, a wood turner, and because of him I had to pay 2 euros extra. But they are really, really nice, really sharp chisels in all kinds of forms. So I think this is great for carving, especially when I do those little medieval things on furniture. It's a great set. I think they're Japanese or probably Chinese, I don't know. But they're really nice, and they are wrapped with some thread. Really great, and a nice little, well, Japanese, Chinese kind of package. So that's that. It took 5 hours, the auction, for just items that are all worth 2, 5, 10 euros, and that's it. And after that we deserved to have a kebab and go to the fair, the Santa Iria fair in Tomar. We just spent some time there and then ate something, drank something. That was just the end of the day. And so I got the 2 lights and this chisel set. And I also bought a very cheap mirror, which I maybe can use in the future. So that was the auction. Then I promised last video that I'm gonna unpack a little package that I got. I got this package from Steve Richard from the United States, and this was after I made that video about the license plate guitar, and I used a fake license plate, and he said, well, I've got a few real license plates for you and I'm going to send them to Portugal. So Steve, really big thanks. Let's see what's in the box. Now, normally I don't receive these boxes from the USA because our customs is ridiculously expensive and slow. Sometimes it takes 3 months for a package to get through customs, but as all the paperwork was rightly filled in and everything was done accordingly to the rules, I got this one without any problems. Now, he said you never build a cigar box guitar before, because here in Portugal I don't find second-hand cigar boxes. So he said, well, there's a cigar box in there, and there is, so let's see what we can. So, yeah, so there's a main license plate, which looks to be in a very good condition. And it says 99, so I guess that's 1999. And this one, which has a little dent, but perfectly for a license plate guitar, it's from Maine and it's 2002, I guess. Well, these are great to make license plate guitars with. And then there's an old cigar box, which is pretty strange. Honduras, Oscar Valdadares tobacco, but it's got some features on it, which is really nice. This makes an excellent box for making a guitar, and this is Steve Richard's own collection of guitars he made. So mainly CBGs, custom made instruments by Steve Richard. Steve, again, thank you very much. And yes, this will make a decent cigar box guitar. Too bad the things are on the, if you use it like that with the logo, they're on the bottom, but still, nice feature. So thank you very much. I will gonna use these 3 items. That's another 3 guitars to make, and we'll see what will come out of it in the future. But first I have to do this project for myself, and I can't waste too much time on it. So it's going to be quick and simple and easy, and let's see what we can do about that. So while it has started raining and it's pretty wet outside at the moment, I'm going to look between all the stuff I've got whether I got enough to find the material for my next project. And it's not the back of a cardboard box or whatever, but on a plank. I'm gonna see if I can find the stuff to make a few big drawers. That's something for the next video. That's it for this week. Do some woodworking. It's a nice way to spend your time. Do some recycling. It's an even better way to spend your time. And see you all in the next video with a real project. Até logo.